Hello Moneymakers, the channel which I am about to reveal today is a niche that no YouTube gurus have ever shared with you. All they tell you is about the niche that is highly saturated or the niche that is hard to monetize. If you ever come across any channel that has shown this niche, I'll delete this video. Yes, that's right. Check out this channel that has gained more than 200,000 subscribers in just 7 months alone. Popular videos have got more than a whopping 21 million views. Just image the revenue with this amount of views. I call this niche as funny air traffic control conversations. Let me show you the video for better understanding. You see the engagement, views, and activity on this short video? This is what the YouTube algorithm loves. In this video, I will show to find these footages, create audio, and merge them together to create these amazing YouTube short videos for absolutely free like I always do. There are some hidden techniques to create the audio like this, which I will reveal in the later part of the video, so don't skip anything. Guys, this is one of the secret niches that I share with the AI Maskman Academy members on School. But today, I decided to give away this gem niche for free to my loyal audience. In case, if you would like to be a part of my coaching, you can check out the link in the description. So, let's grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started with how you can create this kind of YouTube channel step by step. First, you'll need to create your channel. After that, choose a good name for it, then design your logo and banner. Once that's done, we'll move on to how to create videos for the channel. And the best part? We'll use just one AI tool for everything, ChatGPT. It'll help us with the full process. So open ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and make one now. If you still haven't signed up, well, you're kinda behind the world. Haha, just kidding. Anyway, the first step is to clearly explain to ChatGPT what kind of channel you want to create, what your videos will be like, what topics you'll cover, and so on. To do that, head over to a YouTube channel called Crispy Flights. Copy 3 to 4 lines from a few of their videos, just enough to give an idea of their content. Then, come back to ChatGPT and paste that information. ChatGPT will analyze the style and understand the kind of channel you're planning to build. Now that ChatGPT knows your channel idea, let's move on to choosing a name. For that, go to my Google Doc. You'll find the link in the description below. Join the Telegram channel to access it. Copy the prompt from there and give it to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will give you around 20 name ideas for your channel. I've decided to go with Mayday Adness. Next, go back to the Google Doc and copy the second prompt from there. Paste that into ChatGPT, and it will suggest some logo ideas for you. Pick the one you like, then tell ChatGPT. Give me an image prompt for this logo idea. It'll give you a detailed prompt that you can use in any image generator tool to create the logo. Or, you can even ask ChatGPT to generate the logo image for you directly if your tool supports that. And just like that, here's your result. Looks amazing, right? Now use the same method to make a banner for your channel. I've already added a prompt for that in the Google Doc. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and get a banner prompt. Then generate the banner image as well. And that's it. Our first step is done. Your channel name, logo, and banner are ready. Alright, let's move on to the next step, script writing. To create funny videos like this, we need funny scripts and interesting topics that people enjoy watching. If you can write them yourself, that's great. But if not, no problem. You can use ChatGPT for help. To do that, go back to the same YouTube channel again. Now pick 2 or 3 videos and get their transcripts. You might be wondering, YouTube Shorts don't have a transcript option, right? Well, here's a cool trick. Take the video link and in the URL replace the word shorts with watch equals $V equals instead. Then press enter. Boom. The short video will now open in the regular, long-form YouTube format. Now scroll down to the description section and you'll see the option to view the transcript. Copy that transcript, go back to ChatGPT and simply say, analyze these scripts. Then paste the script you copied. In the same way, give ChatGPT 3 video scripts to analyze. Then, go to my Google Doc and copy the 4th prompt. It includes 2 types of prompts. You can pick whichever one fits the kind of topics you want. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and it will give you 10 viral script ideas. Pick the idea you like most and ask ChatGPT, give me a script for this idea. ChatGPT will now generate the full dialogue for your video. You can add your own personal touch to the script or ask ChatGPT to expand it further. Just make sure the script doesn't sound fully AI generated. Add a few of your own lines to make it feel real and natural. And that's it. Step 2, script writing, is done. Now let's move on to the next step. Wait, I have a quick thank you before we jump back into the tutorial. We just crossed 50,000 subscribers and I'm honestly blown away. Your likes, comments, and shares keep this channel alive, so I wanted to give something back. To celebrate, I'm unlocking my full course, all the live coaching sessions, and our private community for a single payment of $149. Pay once and you're in for life. No monthly fees, no hidden upgrades, nothing extra ever. Inside the course you'll find easy, step-by-step videos, AI tool I use, ready-made templates and prompts you can copy straight away, and weekly Q&A calls where we solve problems together. The private school group is always buzzing with people sharing wins, giving feedback, and trading new tricks. Whenever I add a new lesson, you get it automatically and for free, forever. This price is a limited celebration offer. When the launch window closes, the price goes up. If you've been waiting to level up your AI video game, now is the best time. Let's get back to the video. Step 3. Generating voiceover. To create the voiceover, I'm going to use 11 Labs. First, sign into your 11 Labs account. Then go to the voice library and look under the conversation section to find a voice that fits your video style. You can filter by gender and language as well. For the pilot's voice, I'll choose Cliff. It sounds perfect for that role. Now start generating the dialogues one by one and number them in order. This will make your editing much easier later. Repeat this process for all the pilot lines. Next, for the ATC air traffic control voice, I'll use the ARC, the storyteller voice. Again, generate each of the ATC dialogues one at a time and keep naming them properly. And that's it. Step 3 is complete. But hold on, we're not fully done yet. We still need to convert these voices into walkie-talkie style. I'll show you how to do that in the next steps. But before that, let's search for the footage we need. Step 4. Finding footages. Now it's time to find videos that match your script, like airplane clips, ATC footage, cockpit scenes, and other related visuals. You can get most of these from the Canva video library. Just click on the video icon, and make sure to select the mobile video format, 9:16, since we're making shorts. Then go to Elements and search for the type of video you need. For example, if you want ATC tower footage, just search ATC tower, select the video you like, and download it. Next, if your script mentions a specific airplane, try to find footage of that exact plane. For that, I suggest using Pinterest. You'll find tons of airplane images and clips there. It's a great source, especially when you need something very specific. So grab all the related clips from Canva and Pinterest. And now, let's move on to the final step. Step 5. Editing. Before you start editing the full video, you first need to convert your voiceovers into a walkie-talkie or radio-style sound. To do this, you can use a tool like Filmora. Just upload your voice file into Filmora. On the right side, you'll see a voice change option. From there, you can choose effects like megaphone, old radio, or walkie-talkie to make your voice sound like it's coming from a radio. But here's the catch. Most of these effects are paid, and only the old radio one is free. So for now, use that one. CapCut also has similar effects, but again, most of them are part of the paid version. Now, if you want to manually create that radio effect for free, I'll show you how to do that too. You'll need to download a free software called Audacity. Once it's installed, open it up. In the top left corner, click on File, then click on Import, and select your voice file. After you import the voiceover file, you can choose to merge all the dialogues into one file if you want. That way, you won't have to edit each clip again. Now select the audio track, and at the top menu, click on Effect. From the drop-down, choose EQ and Filters, and then click on Filter Curve EQ. You'll now see a frequency graph on your screen. To create the radio effect, add 2 points on the left side and 2 points on the right side of the curve. Pull both ends downward to cut the low and high frequencies. Now play the audio to preview how it sounds. If you want to make the voice sound even more like a walkie-talkie, add 3 points in the middle and raise the middle one slightly to create a spike. This boosts the mid-range frequency, making it sound more radio-like. Listen to it again and adjust it as per your liking until you're happy with the sound.
5. Confirm your destination. You're drifting off course.
Once everything sounds good, click Apply, and that's it. We're not done yet. Go back to Effect and now select Distortion. Don't worry, you don't have to adjust all the settings manually. Just go to the Settings menu and choose Factory Presets. From there, select the walkie-talkie effect. Let's preview it.
Spirit 905, confirm your destination. You're drifting off course.
Sounds awesome, just like a real radio voice. Now click on Apply and then export the audio file. But since this is just an example, I'll use the built-in effect in Filmora instead. You can also do the full video editing in Filmora if you prefer. First, upload all your videos and voiceovers into Filmora. Now, drag and drop all the voice clips onto the timeline, in the correct script order. Don't forget to apply the radio voice effect to each clip. Then, start adding your video footages on the upper track, above the voiceovers. Wherever there's an ATC dialogue, place ATC tower footage. Where there's a pilot talking, place airplane or cockpit footage. Also, make sure to mute the original audio of the video clip so it doesn't mix with your voiceovers. Now, it's time to add captions. To do that, select your voiceover files and choose the speech-to-text option in Filmora. It will automatically generate the subtitles for you. Now click on Advanced to choose your font color and caption animations. I created separate captions for the ATC and Spirit dialogues, so I could use different fonts for each. It helps make the characters more distinct. Next, go to the Transitions tab and add transitions between your clips. You can also add filters and visual effects if you want to enhance the look. After that, it's time to add a sound wave effect. For that, go to YouTube and search for green screen sound wave effect. Download anyone you like, and then import it into Filmora. Use the chroma key feature in Filmora to remove the green background from the sound wave clip. Once it blends in well with your video, you're all set. Now export your final video, and that's how you can create funny aviation dialogue videos step by step using simple tools. Just stay consistent with your uploads, and you'll definitely start seeing results on YouTube. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's check out the demo video.
Spirit 905, confirm your destination. You're drifting off course. Yeah, slight problem. We forgot where we're headed. You what? We're checking with ChatGPT. It's between Orlando or Iceland. You're letting an AI choose your flight plan? Hey, don't knock it. At least it gives better answers than Gary in Dispatch. Who's Gary? The guy who once routed us to Detroit because it builds character. Okay, ChatGPT says Iceland. More scenic, cooler vibes, literally. You're not cleared for international travel. Relax, we fly Spirit. Clearance is just a suggestion. Do you even have passports on board? Probably not. But we've got vibes, turbulence, and one screaming toddler. We're unstoppable. This is why I drink on my lunch break.